Matagal na pala itong itinago ni RC Muñoz sa publiko. Marami ang nagulat sa ipinost ni RC Muñoz na isang bata sa kanyang Instagram account, na nagngangalang Estrella ay anak niya raw. Ang caption ni RC rito, "Been waiting for the right moment to tell the world about you my sweet #Estrella. So blessed to have ya my little princess, love you." In fairness, kahawig naman ni RC si Estrella, lalo na ang mga mata nito na duda namin ay 2 or 3 years old na ngayon. April Fools, ang sagot kay Vina Morales ng may account na She's RC's brother-daughter. Ang post kasi ni Vina ay, "Oh so cute like mommy, so proud of you RC. Jokes on you," ang sabi pa ng isang netizen kay Vina. At ang sagot ni RC, claiming all my pamangkins my own. Nonetheless I'm a #Tita Mama. Say naman ni Rian Ramos, "Grabe naman ang cuteness ng baby girl na to. Blessed genes talaga." Sagot ni RC sa aktres, red heart emojis, papik daw Tita Chigs. Nagkomento rin ang sports reporter na si Ira Pablo. Aniya, "If this is an April Fool's joke, it's not funny." May nagpayo naman kay RC ng 2025 na, pero ginagamit pa din ang motherhood as April Fool's joke. If this post is true then congratulations, if not please be aware that motherhood should not be an April Fool's joke. Sabi pa ng netizen, not good choice of announcement. Since it was April Fool's Day, feel bad for the little girl. May nagtanggol naman kay RC, the caption is already edited po. The original caption states that she's blessed to have her daughter, and even use the #mommy. There's no harm in saying to her that motherhood jokes should be stopped and not used for April Fools. Say naman ng follower ni RC, "Be careful of what you joke, baka mabuntis ka this year." Congratulations in advance idol. Anyway, nang magtanong kami sa taong malapit kay RC, kung totoong may anak na siya nung hindi pa namin nabasang joke lamang ito. Ang sabi, baka anak ng kilalang personalidad di ba? Nung titigan namin si Estrella ay kamukha naman tula ni RC Muñoz, ang mga mata at in fairness hawig din ng taong nakarelasyon niya years ago.